Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Aliens Fireteam Elite 2 game not working, crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch issue, not loading or is stuck on loading screen problem, freezing issue or black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So here follow the fixes. Solution 1. Restart your PS5. Press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires. Wait for a few seconds and press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires, turn on your PS5 and then launch the game and check. Solution 2. Restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to other and go to restore license. Select Aliens Fireteam Elite 2 game and then select restore, select yes to confirm. After this, launch the game and check. Solution 3. Log out and log in. So log out from your PlayStation Network account. So go to settings, users and accounts, other, sign out. Wait for a few minutes and then log in back and then launch the game and check. Solution 4. Switch Wi-Fi frequency. So go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection. Press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency, either switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and see which one works for you. Solution 5 is to disable enable HDCP. So go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI tab, turn off enable HDCP and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time turn on enable HDCP and then launch the game and check. Solution 6 is to change console language. So open your PS5 settings and navigate to system, go to the language section, then select your current language. Try changing it to English or any other language and see if that helps or not. Solution 7 is to rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall socket. Now press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound. Then release the button. Your console will boot into the safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database, OK. Now launch Aliens Fireteam Elite 2 game and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 8 is to delete the game data and cache. Now please take a note over here. You must back up the save data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. And then go to settings, save data and game/app settings. Select save data PS5, navigate to console storage, delete. Choose Aliens Fireteam Elite 2 game and then select delete, OK. Now restart your console and then launch the game and check. Solution 9 is to change DNS server. So open PlayStation settings and navigate to network, set up internet connection, choose your internet type and select your internet connection when prompted. Then select custom and choose automatic option for the IP address. Choose don't specify for DHCP hostname. Now in the DNS settings, choose manual and enter the primary DNS as 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and for the proxy server select don't use and then save it and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then save it and then again relaunch the game and check. Solution 10 is to reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. So if you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the game to SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix Aliens Fireteam Elite 2 game not working, crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch issue, not loading or is stuck on loading screen problem, freezing issue or a black screen problem on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.